Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comments, shares and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys. Ang Thomas Jefferson, mayroong tao na 1776 1976. Ito yung quarter dollar na Jefferson nickel na tinatawag na bicentennial quarter. So share ko sa inyo guys ang ating mga records nito sa auction dahil napakataas talaga, nakakalula ang presyo. Ito yung auction record result. The auction record for the 1776 and 1976 bicentennial quarter and 1976 Jefferson nickel are as follows. Number 1, 1776 and 1976 bicentennial quarter. The most valuable example is 1976 S mint mark or San Francisco mint mark silver clad quarter, which sold for $19,200 in 2019 at the Heritage Auctions in MS69 condition. The second 1976 D mint mark or Denver mint mark clad quarter in MS68 condition sold for $8,400 in 2023, setting a record for its type. Third, the standard 1976 Jefferson nickel has a modest auction record of $67 in MS66 condition. However, for coins with the full steps designation, which represents sharp details on the steps of Monticello, on example, in MS67 FS sold for $4,205, the highest recorded auction price. So yun guys ang ating mga nakuhang auction record dito sa ating bicentennial quarter na si Thomas Jefferson. So nakakalula talaga ang ating record dito guys sa ating quarter dollar. Dollar yung nabinta kasi doon sa ibang bansa yon, dito sa Pilipinas. So maraming salamat sa panood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.